I remember when I was 11 years old, it was a couple months after my dad got diagnosed, and we got the results back from the prognosis. And it was really good. It was like 80-20. And we decided to celebrate. So we ordered like a bunch of Chinese food. I remember that night. I was laying in between my parents in bed, and all of a sudden I couldn't breathe. It was like there was no air left in the world. And I was gasping, and I was panicking, and they called the ambulance. They thought I was having an allergic reaction or some shit. And when I got to the hospital, they gave me liquid Valium. Yeah. To calm me down. And when it hit, I thought, this is it. This is the feeling I've been searching for my entire life. For as long as I can remember. Because suddenly, the world went quiet. And I felt safe in my own head. Two years later, he was gone. Panic attack stayed. And I found a way to live. Will it eventually kill? Maybe. But maybe not. I don't know. Still gonna be my dealer?